Hey everyone, new to fantasy basketball? Not sure how it works? No worries, you're in the right place. In this video, we walk you through how to play fantasy basketball, from drafting a team to setting lineups and scoring points. By the end, you'll be ready to play and compete all season long. Fantasy basketball is a free, web-based and mobile game where we act as general managers, drafting real players to build a team and compete based on their real on-court performance. We manage rosters, trade players, and compete in leagues to collect stats like points, rebounds, assists, steals, and blocks. The purpose of fantasy basketball is to let fans become virtual managers by drafting real NBA players and earning points based on their real game stats. It adds strategy, competition, and fun by rewarding us for player selection, lineup choices, and season management, making watching basketball more interactive. We will go through the tutorial step by step, so even if you're new, you can follow along easily. Now first, open your browser. We go to yahoo.com. After the page loads, we go to Sports. You can find Sports in the upper right part of the page. Click on Sports. Once we are on the Sports page, we go to Fantasy Basketball. You can find Fantasy Basketball in the upper right corner again. We can see Fantasy. Click on the Fantasy drop-down. You will see this button in the drop-down. You can see Fantasy Basketball. Since we are talking about Fantasy Basketball, we select that. Now, we are on the Fantasy Basketball welcome page. Here, we can select a join link or create a link. We can also look for the NBA updates to find details about each player. We can also do some research about the game and the statistics. You can find the percentage, the starting percentage, and we can also look at the draft. Here, you can choose either mock drafts or draft analysis. You can see player stats, average pick, average run, and percentage drafted. You can choose 8 teams here. Explore this page as much as you want. All the settings are here for us to enjoy fantasy basketball. Now that you know how drafts work, how scoring is calculated, and how to manage your team, you are ready to jump into your league with confidence. Remember, staying active, checking player updates, and making smart waiver moves can make all the difference.